Hi guys, welcome to the channel Learn Concepts with Nikhil, Discover, Learn and Grow. From this video, we'll be concentrating and we'll be learning about generative AI. We'll be having a series of videos related to generative AI. We can call it a course, a mini course for generative AI. Let's jump into generative AI now. 1 minute. Yeah. So what is generative AI? Before learning about generative AI, we will be learning some points. Like 99% of the people think generative AI as text generation tool. If we go and ask people, if we go and ask 99% or 90% of people, कि what is Chat GPT करके, like they will be saying like it's only used for writing poems or crafting emails or writing stories. They will be saying only this, but it is more than that, right? ChatGPT is a text generation tool, but it is more than writing poems, more than crafting emails. Like it does research for you, it does some amazing work for you. Apart from that, like ChatGPT comes under LLM models, and apart from LLM models, there are also diffusion models which can generate images, which can generate videos, which can generate songs. So generative AI is not only text generation tool, but it also generates different models. Like there are different models, and it also generates like different things like images, videos, songs, and all. So first of all, come out of this assumption कि generative AI is only text generation tool. It does many more things. It does many more amazing things. We'll be covering those videos. We will be covering those tools in the future videos. So next point is don't just use AI, make them work for you. Like, see, nothing happens if you know that those tools, right? Like, you know ChatGPT, but if you don't know how to work with ChatGPT, like how to make it work for you, like it cannot be efficient, right? It cannot be efficient for you. Nothing happens if you know ChatGPT tool. You have to make it work for you. That we will that we will be covering in this series of generative AI videos in this course. So we will not only use AI, we will make it work for us. We will make it work for us so that like our life will be easy. So this is the second point. And third point we will be learning. Third point is about definition of generative AI. In simple words, generative AI is not AI. It is a part of AI. It is not complete AI, but it is a part of artificial intelligence. So there are basically previously there are versions of artificial intelligence. Like there are many types of artificial intelligence things previously in the world. One is rule based. So rule based. AI, and second one is retrieval based AI. Rule based AI and retrieval based AI are nothing but your Siri, Alexa, as well as your chatbots, right? In websites, you will be finding the chatbots, right? So those are called as rule based and retrieval based AI. They are nothing but like they will be using a particular knowledge base. Like we will be talking about knowledge based, you know. But as of now, knowledge base is something a particular data set, specific data set, and they will be using that specific knowledge base or specific particular data set, and they will be retrieving or they will be giving the answers for us. So it has some limitations. It has many limitations. It cannot generate new things in general. It cannot generate new ideas. It can only give the answers. It can only give the answers, or it can only fetch the answers based on the specific knowledge base or specific limited data. But generative AI is completely different. It will be like generative AI generates new things. Like see the definition. Generative is a type of artificial intelligence that can create new content. New content. It will be creating new content such as text, images, musics, based on the patterns learned from large data sets. So generative AI, you will be feeding large data sets to generative AI, and it will be recognizing the patterns, and then it will be fetching, or it will be giving the results, and it will be generating the original content. So that is all about generative AI versus rule based or retrieval based AIs. So yeah. GPT stands for Generative CC, Chat GPT, right? GPT is nothing but like Chat GPT is there, as well as Claude AI is there, Perplexity is there, as well as Storm is there, Grok is there. There are many AI tools. We will be learning about all these AI tools in the upcoming videos. But as of now, we have to go through theory, right? So first we will be going through all these concepts and theory, and then we will be jumping directly into tools as we did in SQL. So GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Uh, it is quite intuitive, right? You can understand the GPT full form by like you can understand the GPT full form, right? Like generative pre-trained transformer. It will be transforming the output based on the training, and it will be generating the answers. So as simple as that. Gen AI is a part of AI. As I said you before, like Gen AI is a new version, new part, new type of AI. But previously they used to be retrieval and rule-based AIs too. But they will be working on. They used to be work like they used to work on only limited data. So yeah, artificial intelligence is a broader perspective, broader view of the artificial intelligence. Like it has artificial intelligence has many subsets, many subcategories in it. So I said you about artificial intelligence, right? Like it will be generating content, but generative AI will be generating original content. So, artificial intelligence is about generating content. Machine learning is the one like which will be recognizing patterns on the data. For example, if you go through Flipkart or Amazon, and if you buy a laptop, right? If you buy a laptop, uh, it will be giving us some recommendations or some suggestions that people who have bought laptop has also bought a mouse as well as keyboard. करके it will be giving some suggestions, right? So that is machine learning. It will be recognizing the patterns based on the data and based on the previous past data. So what it actually happens in the back end is like in the previous data, maybe people who has bought laptop has bought mouse as well as has bought keyboard also. So it will be recognizing those patterns. This it will be recognizing those patterns, and it will be recommending us, or it will be suggesting us when we buy the new laptop, right? So that is about machine learning. Deep learning is something like it also recognizes, and yeah, it is purely based on neural networks. Neural networks. It will be also recognizing patterns, but based on unstructured data too. Like it will be recognizing patterns, and it will be learning patterns based on videos, uh, audios, PDFs, and it will be working on unstructured data too. It will be learning patterns, recognizing patterns of unstructured data too. It is purely based on neural networks, and LLMs are one of the part of deep learning and generative AI. There are many types of models, like multi-model things are there. Like LLM is one part. Diffusion models are another model. So we will be talking about diffusion models too in the future videos. Like to give a glimpse of diffusion models will be generating content like images or videos or audios. So that is about diffusion models. LLM models are something which are only text based. It is used only for text based use cases. So yeah, LL it's all about LLMs. So we will be understanding about LLMs in the future slides. For example, if you go to ChatGPT is one of the LLM. It works on the it works on the concepts of LLMs. So LLMs क्या होता है कि like what LLMs will be doing is like we will go to next slides. You can understand. See, LLMs are large language models and primarily used for text generation use cases, such as text generation. As I said you before, it will be generating text like writing articles, scripts, emails, poems. It will be doing research also for us. And also, it can chatbots and virtual assistants. So if we integrate that into any website, it will be used as chatbots too. It can help us like customer support, AI companions. Like it will be. giving customer support for us, chatbots and virtual assistants, code generation. It can generate the code also for us. So yeah, summarization. Consider see if you actually there is a particular AI tool called Humata AI, I think so. If you give the large PDF or large uh, data, it will be summarizing us. We can ask questions for that, like large data ko summarize karna, or we can ask questions. It's basically LLMs does all these things. Like it will be summarizing the large data. And next, translation. It also does translation. Like if you give kya, uh, if you give sentence in English, it will give us in Telugu or Hindi if we ask it to do like that. So it will be doing the translation purpose also for us. And sentimental analysis. Sentimental analysis is nothing but like understanding the emotions of the customers, and it will be giving us like, for example, if you go to Google Play, yeah, Google Play, not Google Pay, Google Play, there will be reviews for a particular app, right? Like there will be reviews for specific cabs, right? So based on those reviews, it will be say generative AI or LLM models can be doing they can do sentimental analysis, like based on those reviews they can it can say key like whether the review is positive review or negative review or neutral review. So it will be doing sentimental analysis on text also. So these are the use cases of LLMs, and let us know how LLM works in the back end, right? We have got to know what are the use cases of LLMs, right? Now we will be learning about the LLMs, how they will be working in the back end. So yeah, here is a LLM process. Like first I will be saying you like if we type something in chat GPT, like I want to know what is product management. I want to know what is the definition of product management. करके if you give the prompt to chat GPT, it gives us the output magically. It does not take like not more than 1 second, right? It will be giving us the output magically. Like we cannot imagine. We, as a humans, we take some time to generate. Sorry, as a humans, we take some time to give answers, but it will not take time. It will be giving the entire answer. Like it will be giving more than 100 words, for 500 words, or 1,000 words answer in just a single second or double of seconds, like in 2 seconds. So how that works? So I'll be saying about that ChatGPT works on LLM. It is a text-based use case. It is a text-based model. So how LLM works, we will be discussing in this particular slide. First, LLMs will be tokenizing. Tokenizing is nothing but complete sentence code. Like it will be breaking down the complete sentence into smaller particles, smaller pieces, smaller chunks, right? As we learned in SQL also, like a big table is broken down into smaller chunks. Here is also happening the same thing. It will be breaking down the larger sentence into smaller chunks. For example, if I give hello world, it will be breaking into two words. Like ChatGPT or LLMs does not understand words, so they will be breaking them into tokens. Like if I give the sentence called "Hello World," it will be breaking "hello" into one token, one word, or we can call it as token. "Hello" into one token and "world" into one token. So it will be breaking down them into tokens. And second is embedding. Embedding is nothing but like, as you know, systems cannot understand human language. Hello world is in human language, but systems cannot understand human language, right? So what they will be doing is they will be converting the tokens into numbers. See, you can see here the string, right? Hello is assigned a string. Hello word is hello word or hello token has been assigned a string with some numbers, right? So it will be assigning some numbers to it. And next processing. After assigning the numbers, it will go into processing. Like the model analyzes patterns and relationships between words using layers of neural networks. For example, if you say the sky is dash, so what LLM does is like it will be predicting the next word, exact next word. It will be predicting like the sky is dash. It will the sky is will be having some type of number, some numbers, right? Some strings of numbers. So it will be going into neural networks and it will be predicting what will be the next exact word, exact next word of the sky is dash. Will it be red? No, it will be taking it wrong and it will be going to next word. Green? No. It will be yellow? No. It will be blue? Yes. It is matching the scenario. It is matching the data present in the LLMs. So then it will be doing processing like that. It will be predicting the exact next word after embedding in the processing stage. Then it will be generating output. It predicts the next word based on the context, and generates a response. As I said you before, the sky is a dash, the sky is blue. It will be predicting the exact next word. It cannot be red or it cannot be blue or it cannot be violet. It can only be blue as per data. So yeah. So LLMs work on this principle. They are used for text-based use cases, for writing stories, for writing scripts, for writing emails, for doing research purpose and all. So this is about LLM, guys. So in the next video, we will be learning about the prompting techniques. Like we have learned how LLM works, like how the backend of ChatGPT works. But we have to know how to talk with AI, right? Like we have to know how to talk with artificial intelligence in order to get the efficient answer, or in order to make it work for us, right? So we will be learning about prompting techniques so that you can efficiently or effectively talk with AI, artificial intelligence, and make it work for us. So this is all about generative AI. I think I have this is uh, see these slides. In these slides, I gave the overall overview, but see there is a lot to learn about LLMs and all. But I gave the high level view. I gave the overview of the generative AI. So hope I made it simpler for you. And yeah, in the next video, we will be learning about prompting techniques. And after that, we will be directly jumping into tools. Thank you.